Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can fix your white spaces on your site on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, white spaces are pretty much a symptom of placing media, and that media has sort of margins, which will show up as white space, which will show up for in general, you really cannot prevent it from showing up from the start. What you can do is you can add custom CSS code to remove those white spaces and make your site look a bit prettier. Now, due to not being able to use the theme, which I need for the additional CSS option, because I'm on the free plan, I'll be showing you guys where to find that option, and I'll be showing you guys another article which states exactly what to do. So firstly, what you're going to do is go into Appearance and click on Customize, and from there at the bottom you would see additional CSS if you're on a theme that supports it, and once you're there you can then remove the white space. Now just go into the additional CSS, and after whatever CSS you already have, if you have any, just add this here a line of code to remove any padding, and you can just divide it like this if you want to, and then once you're done with that, just click publish, and that should be pretty much it. If you want to add space, just change the 0 to something else. It is in pixels, so you can add 5 pixels or 5px, and that should work perfectly. But other than that, that is pretty much all you can do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.